heard my mom humming in the kitchen, but I live alone. I froze in my bedroom. The humming was exactly her song. I call out, "Mum?" She answers sweetly.
"Dinner's almost ready."
I whisper, "This is impossible." The humming stops. Her voice turns quiet.
"Why? You don't like when I visit?"
I inch toward the kitchen. The lights are off. The fridge is open. And the humming starts again from inside the fridge. I slam it shut. Silence. My phone rings. It's Mom. The real Mom. She says, "Sweetie, why are you calling me from my old number?" I stare at the caller ID because the number on my screen is my number.